bad guy.
Insalone, it's a website that has its own app. It's a app that make you feel like you be big man. You go deal everything in there but that way you like. It's a app that come around to help our business. This app will go your business.
Yes.
Find solution for all your sickness.
Yes.
Car service and advertisement.
Yes.
For you travel, we go be your agent.
Yes.
Get you cover for job contract, agriculture, job not intact. Anything you want, you go bring instant. We dey make less talk important. Check Insalone. You want find job, you want travel, we go help you.
Insalone.
For your business, current news, advertisement.
Insalone.
This app don't come for make real life so easy.
Insalone.
Just check that Play Store, you dey get so easy.
Insalone.
You want find job, you want travel, we go help you.
Insalone.
For your business, current news, advertisement.
Insalone.
This app don't come for make real life so easy.
Insalone.
Just check that Play Store, you dey get so easy.
We can get this app from Play Store.
Play Store.
You can click download and install.
And install.
You will feel joy and pleasure. Insalone. Insalone. So, advertisements is the top notch. Shopping is the top notch. Her newsman is the top notch. Car service man is the top notch. Booking is the top notch. Food delivery yeah, is the top notch. Traveling information, community service and more money yeah, is the top notch. Hey, friendly with us, body a hush. Back up delivery at a cheap cost. Friendly with us, body a hush. Back up delivery at a cheap cost.
Insalone, you want find job, you want travel, we go help you.
Insalone.
For your business, current news, advertisement.
Insalone.
This app don't come for make real life so easy.
Insalone.
Just check my Play Store, you dey get so easy.
Insalone.
You want find job, you want travel, we go help you.
Insalone.
For your business, current news, advertisement. This app don't come for make real life so easy.
Insalone.
Just check my Play Store, you dey get so easy.
Go get your Insalone app, X19.